took my pet Jumbo, my pet dog. I have a pet animal. It is Jumbo. Jumbo is a dog. We can have pet animals. Pet animals live in our home. Pet animals are tame. They are friendly. They love us and we love them. There are many pet animals.
Pet, pet. A pet animal. A pet animal. Home, home. A pet stays in a home. A pet stays in a home. Dog. This is a dog. A dog is a pet animal. Dog, dog. A dog is a pet. A dog is a pet. I love my dog. I love my dog. Cat. This is a cat. A cat is a pet animal. Cat, cat. A cat is a pet. A cat is a pet. I love my cat. I love my cat. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. A rabbit is a pet animal. Rabbit, rabbit. A rabbit is a pet. A rabbit is a pet. I love my rabbit. I love my rabbit. Parrot, parrot. A parrot is a pet animal. Parrot, parrot. A parrot is a pet. A parrot is a pet. I love my parrot. I love my parrot. Fish. This is a fish. A fish is a pet animal. Fish, fish. A fish is a pet. A fish is a pet. I love my fish. I love my fish. Squirrel. This is a squirrel. A squirrel can be a pet animal. Squirrel, squirrel. A squirrel is small. A squirrel is small. I love my squirrel. I love my squirrel. I love my pet animal. I love my pet animal. I call my pet. I call my pet. My pet will come. My pet will come. I fed my pet. I fed my pet. My pet is tame. My pet is tame. My pet is my friend. My pet is my friend.
I love my pet animal. This is my pet Jumbo, my pet dog. There are many pet animals. Cats, dogs, rabbits, parrots, and fish. Pet animals are not big. They are small. They need to live in our house. Pet animals are tame. They are friendly. I love my pet animal.
Okay, children, now we're going to write cat, dog, and squirrel. Cat. You know how to write cat. C-A-T, cat. And dog. You know how to write dog. D-O-G, og, dog. Squirrel. SQ sound is squa. Squirrel. SQ, squa. Then IR, then rill. Squirrel. 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 Then we will write fish, parrot, and rabbit. Fish. You know how to write fish. 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 Then parrot. PAR. Pear. Then ROT. Parrot. 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 Then rabbit. RAB. Rab. Then bit. BIT. Rabbit. 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 Then you can read the names and join to the picture. Cat, dog, fish, rabbit, parrot, squirrel. Very good, children. Goodbye from Miss Simpson.